你好，今天我要天天在中国交朋友。首先，我的中文名字是顾强，我的英文名字是 Scott Guidoboni。我的专业是生物医学工程。我是个月要去中国参加工程，结识新朋友，竞赛结交好朋友的第一步，就是满足他们。祝你喜欢的活动，那么你更有可能有到有共同兴趣的人相信，促进对方利益的行为，做一些事情来帮助别人，让人力自由。语言是所有国际友谊的障碍。中国人中有人常识。While those are the fundamentals, there are some small but important things to keep in mind that can help you in your quest to finding a Chinese friend. It is important to understand that not every region in China has the same outlook on friendship. In the South, friendships tend to be more about what a friend and his existing connections can do for me, and how I can help them with their goals. On the other hand, the North tends to be friends based on common interests, closer to a traditional Western friendship. Politics is a sensitive topic in China, and bringing up your opinion on a subject will most likely cause a disagreement, resulting in a very awkward situation. Chinese people strongly dislike awkward situations, so when trying to befriend someone, and possibly their friends, try to keep conversations as polite as possible. When in China, do the best you can to fly under the radar and do not make a scene. This is because the normal mentality is it's China against the world. So, for example, imagine you get into a loud argument with a street vendor, causing a scene. Locals will probably start a crowd and start taking pictures. The foreigner will be seen as the bad guy, and if you're with friends, it will cause them to be very embarrassed. How do you know when you are considered a good friend rather than just an acquaintance? First off, your friend will stop being overly polite to you. That is, they will stop saying 谢谢 or 请. If you keep being polite, they will think you do not want to be close to them. Next, your friend will consider you a part of the family. You will be invited to family events and treated like a relative. Soon after becoming good friends, your friend's friends will treat you as one of the group. They will also stop being overly polite to you, so don't expect for them to pay for the meal. And finally, a good friend does not mind joking around about those obvious cultural differences. Differences will actually become part of your relationship. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, I've included a link to a very helpful YouTube channel and video I found doing my research. 谢谢你，再见。